Assalamu alaikum. It's 8:50 in the morning. I woke up right now this morning. Now I have to get ready for my work as much as quickly. First of all, I need to brush my teeth. And you can see there is no one on the faucet. I can be ready quickly today. Oh my god, my room is getting messy. I don't want to show you what I have to show you guys. It's my duty to show you everything. You can see my room is really getting messy. Okay, don't worry. We will make plan to clean it. It's breakfast time and I'm not eating anything special. I'm just eating chapati and lentil. This is my breakfast for every day here on the work. I don't have several options in the breakfast. I'm just eating normal food, lentil and chapati. My breakfast is done. Now it's time to wash my plate. Here is my plate. Let's open the water. I washed it. Now it's time to go to on the work. Now I'm going on the work, and as I told you, I don't work like my team members. I have lots of work in my laptop. I accomplish them. I have came in the company. As you know, I'm working on my laptop right now. As I told you, I almost work on my laptop. So right now I'm making worksheet of materials in the Excel. You can see. Right now I'm using Excel software in my laptop. I started to work in my laptop sometimes ago. Therefore, I'm not expert in Excel, but I'm trying to be expert. Inshallah, I'll be one day. But I don't need to be expert in Excel because I wanna be expert in the blogging. I still did not complete my work in laptop. Actually, I was getting bored while I was working on my laptop. Therefore, I came here on the top of the tank. You can see I'm standing here. It's 1:05 o'clock. By the way, it's 1:05 p.m. in afternoon. So it's time for having lunch. So let's go. I'm going to eat my lunch. It's time for having lunch, and you can see there is no one because everyone is eating their lunch. I'm the alone who is late for everything. I came to eat my lunch, but when I found out that it's Friday today, I changed my mind. I'll eat my lunch after some time later. First of all, I'm going to perform prayer. When I'll back, then I'll eat my lunch. I'm standing here at the edge of road. I'm waiting for auto rickshaw. Actually, the masjid is far away from the company, so I need to catch auto rickshaw to reach over there. So I think auto rickshaw is coming. Let's see he go there or not. सर के जाओगे? Finally, I'm sitting in the auto rickshaw. As you can see, he got one more passenger. I would like to tell you the duration of the masjid, mosque. The mosque is 12 kilometers away from the company. So I'm going to perform Friday prayer. It's very necessary for every Muslim. By the way, 5 times prayer is very important in our lives. We two people are sitting in this auto rickshaw, and it's gonna take 5 or 10 minutes to reach there. Now I'm getting off from the auto rickshaw because I have arrived on my destination. There is my change. I'm going to pray in that mosque. I always pray in this mosque every Friday because there is no extra mosque over here except this mosque. So I think all the people is coming here to perform Friday prayer. So कैमरा है हाँ.
ये कितने का होगा?
Before entering the mosque, I need to take off my sleeper. No one can enter mosque with sleeper. This is rule. You have to take off your sleeper before entering the mosque. So I took off my sleeper here. Now I'm gonna enter the mosque. So I'll meet you after performing Friday prayer. I performed Friday prayer. Now I'm going back. I'll cross the road. After that, I'll go. I'll take auto rickshaw from there. As you can see, some auto rickshaw are parking already over there. So finally, I'm get on in the auto rickshaw, as you can see. Now I'm going back, and you know the auto rickshaw full of with passengers. So now I'm free after performing prayer. Now I can easily eat my lunch. I think I told you ever. I go to 12 kilometers away from the company in order to perform Friday prayer. You know there is no mosque near my company. It's time to get off from the auto rickshaw. Here you go. I have got off from the auto rickshaw. Now I'm going. Before that, I have to accomplish one danger task. That is, I have to cross the road. Do it quickly. Finally, I crossed one way, and now I'm gonna cross second way. You know this is 4 line. Therefore, I'm crossing 2 lines. Finally, here we are. I'm back in my room. Now I'm going to eat my lunch. I know I'm late, but it's okay, no problem. So I'll meet you after finishing my lunch. Okay, my lunch is over. Now I'm going on the work because my laptop's work is still incomplete. First of all, I'm going to complete my laptop's work. Then I'll think something else what I will do next. I'm back in the company and I saw a train. I see train every day here from the tank. I'm in the market right now and buying acidity capsule for myself. The time is 8 o'clock in the night. The quantity of people is very less in the market. Look, this is a Gujarati medical. I don't know what is written on the board. I can't read. We have purchased the medicine. Now we are going back. Would you like to eat something? You don't want to eat anything? You have chance to eat. I'm offering you. You have a good offer. No, there is no jalebi shop here. I'm looking around. There is no shop of jalebi. There are 2 or 3 grocery shops, but there is no dessert shop. What is it? This is cake point. But I'm not gonna eat cake. I literally don't like cake. This man selling snacks, as you can see. How much it is? ये कितने का? 70. Okay. How's the taste of this cookie? Is it cookie?
चॉकलेट वाला आएगा वो
Chocolate flavor.
टेडी भी है
This is chocolate flavor. Okay. Guys, I'm thinking to buy it. Should I buy or not? I don't like spicy. दे दो, one दे दो. Do you have any online source to pay? Okay. Is it biscuit? Yeah, this is the packet of biscuit. This biscuit seems different from usual biscuit. I don't have cash in my pocket, so I'm gonna pay online. Look, I'm creating vlogs on YouTube. You're really doing good work, and this is the best business, as I believe. Okay, nice to meet you. Bye. So I purchased these biscuits. Now I try and taste it tomorrow because this time for have dinner. So I'm not gonna taste here on the road. You can see many people are going and coming. I don't want to eat in front of them. My uncle buying the package of milk from this grocery shop. He always drink milk in the night. He used to drink milk in the night every day. My uncle offered me this gazak. I prefer to eat gazak in winter season. I'll stop my blog right there because there is light. So now I'm gonna end my blog right here. If you like my blog for today, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Okay, I'll meet you in another episode. Till then, okay, bye.